Hey, what's up guys? Me, Delio64. I'm gonna be doing unboxing of the Acer S181HL, I think. Just gotta check. Yeah, it's HL. So, I'm gonna unbox this. Let's put the camera down quickly. Just to let everyone know, this is an open box model. Just pop the seal off here. And I gotta put the camera down again. So open it. Acer. Already I can see it's really thin. So, let's put this sideways and pull it out. Okay, I'm just gonna put the camera there. Empty box. This looks like the monitor. Right here, let's set this aside. And let's just take this out. Sorry about that big noise. This is a stand. The wall mount. Plug. Power adapter. And it looks like it comes with a it comes with a display cable too. Okay, so I finished screwing that on. Let's push this stuff back. Okay, so I had to get a tripod for this part. Let's pull this out. Put it back down. Here's how it looks. Looks pretty nice. Acer. Here's the back with all the wall mounts. And then I'm gonna slide this in. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the stand. Over here is the buttons along here. And if I zoom in up here, this is the model. It says LED technology. So that's the monitor, and I'm gonna set it up, turn it on, and you'll see. Okay, so here it is all set up with the computer. Currently opening Firefox. And I'm gonna zoom into the Acer logo. If it focuses. Okay, it doesn't focus, but that's the Acer logo. And then here it is. And then I'm just gonna go on my YouTube channel. And YouTube channel now. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, the Acer S181 monitor unboxing. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.